Hi, my name is Kyle Barber. I live in northern Wisconsin in Ashland. Well, actually, I live in Washburn. I'm an instructional coach in Ashland. We're going through a lot of changes right now. I moved up here for the challenge for the beautiful water on the Chequamegon Bay. I lived here 3 months before someone corrected me finally from Chequamegon Bay because of the Q to Chequamegon Bay, so I really appreciate that. I really like working with teachers, adults. I love working with kids. I love working on best practice, and I love working on trying to find solutions to help improve schools, systems, and other things. Sorry, I'm sitting in a rocking chair because my other chair doesn't work. Um, I'm looking forward to the challenge again this year. This is my third or fourth semester working online through UW Superior, and I'm really looking forward to working with everybody. Thanks, and have a good one.